Have you ever felt like everything you worked for just fell apart? Like life pressed the restart button without asking you first? If you have, you are not alone. Every person at some point faces a moment when the only way forward is to start again. It sounds simple, but it takes courage, hope, and faith, especially when your heart feels tired and your dreams feel far away. This is the story of Daniel, a young man who thought his life was over until he learned that starting again can be the most powerful thing a person can do. Daniel was 28 years old and living in a small city. He had a stable job, a girlfriend, and plans for the future. He imagined buying a house, traveling, and building a life he could be proud of. Everything seemed to go as planned until it didn't. One rainy Monday morning, Daniel received an email that changed everything. His company was closing, and he was one of the first employees to lose his job. At first, he laughed nervously, thinking it was a mistake. But it wasn't. Days turned into weeks. His savings slowly disappeared. The pressure grew. Then his girlfriend left, saying she needed someone more stable. Suddenly, the world that once felt safe became a heavy storm. Daniel felt lost, small, and invisible. He stopped answering calls from friends, and he didn't leave his apartment. Every night he asked himself the same painful question: how can I start again when I have lost everything? Sometimes change begins in silence. One night, after many hours of staring at the ceiling, Daniel noticed something strange: the sound of rain. For the first time in weeks, he actually listened to it. The soft rhythm hitting the window, the quiet music of nature outside. It reminded him of something his grandmother used to say. The rain doesn't destroy. It cleans the earth so new life can grow. Those words hit him deeply. He realized that maybe his life wasn't ending. Maybe it was being cleaned for a new beginning. The next morning, Daniel got up early. He took a shower, made coffee, and opened his laptop. He had no idea what he would do, but he decided to start somewhere. He searched online for courses, ideas, jobs, anything. And then he saw something interesting: learn English for a new career path. He clicked on it without thinking much. Learning English had always been a dream of his, but he never had time for it. Now, he had nothing but time. The first class felt strange. His pronunciation wasn't perfect. He made mistakes. He forgot words. But for the first time in a long while, he smiled. Why? Because he was learning again. Because he had started again. Days became weeks. Daniel made a routine. He woke up, studied English, took walks, and cooked his own meals. Each small action became a brick in the new foundation of his life. He joined an online community of English learners. They encouraged each other, corrected mistakes, and shared dreams. He met people from all around the world, students, professionals, travelers. He realized that everyone, in some way, was starting again from something. One woman was learning English after a divorce. Another was studying to move to a new country. One young man was learning to get his first job abroad. Daniel felt inspired. He wasn't the only one rebuilding. He was part of something bigger, a community of people brave enough to begin again. Of course, not every day was easy. There were days when he wanted to quit. Days when he asked, "What's the point? I'll never be fluent." One night, after a long day of mistakes and frustration, Daniel closed his laptop and went outside. He walked under the stars, feeling small again. He thought of all the things he had lost: his job, his relationship, his plans. But then he remembered what he had gained: peace, curiosity, and a new skill that could change his life. He whispered to himself, "If I stop now, I'll never know how far I could have gone." And that was enough to keep him going. 6 months later, Daniel saw an opportunity. A company was hiring bilingual employees for remote positions. He hesitated. His English wasn't perfect, but then he remembered how far he had come and how much he had already survived. He prepared his CV in English, practiced interview questions, and recorded himself speaking to gain confidence. The day of the interview arrived. His heart raced, his hands shook, but he smiled. The interviewer asked in English, "Tell me about a time you had to start again." Daniel took a deep breath and answered honestly. He shared his story, not hiding the failures, but showing how they had shaped him. He spoke slowly, making some small grammar mistakes, but with passion, clarity, and truth. When the interview ended, he felt proud. He had done it. No matter the result, he had already won. A week later, he received the email. "Congratulations, Daniel. Welcome to our team." Tears filled his eyes, not because of the job itself, but because of what it represented: a second chance, the proof that he could rebuild, that starting again was not the end of something, it was the beginning of something new. Life will always surprise us. Sometimes it gives us more than we expect. Other times it takes everything away. but every ending hides a seed of a new beginning. Starting again is not about forgetting the past. It's about learning from it, accepting it, and choosing to move forward anyway. When you start again, you don't return to zero. You begin from experience. You begin with a heart that has been tested and survived. You begin with wisdom that only failure can teach. Learning English, like starting over in life, is a journey full of mistakes, doubt, and small victories. You may forget words, pronounce something wrong, or feel shy to speak. But every word you say, every sentence you write, and every video you watch brings you closer to confidence. Remember, every time you decide to practice, you are starting again. And that's what success is made of: the courage to keep starting again and again. Maybe today you are feeling stuck. Maybe something didn't go as planned: a job, a relationship, or a dream. Maybe you feel like you are behind everyone else. But here's a truth that Daniel discovered: you are never behind when you are trying. Every effort counts. Every attempt matters. Starting again is not weakness, it's power. Because starting again means you believe there is still something worth fighting for. And that belief is the beginning of every comeback story. So today, I want to ask you, what part of your life needs a new beginning? What's one small step you can take today to start again? Whatever it is, start today. Don't wait for the perfect time, the perfect mood, or the perfect plan. The perfect moment to start again is always now. One day, like Daniel, you will look back and realize that what you thought was the end was actually the moment your true story began. You will see how the pieces fell into place, how you grew stronger, and how you learned more than you ever imagined. Starting again doesn't mean you failed. It means you're still brave enough to believe in yourself. So take a deep breath. Look at where you are. And remember, every day is a chance to start again. Are you ready to start again? Thank you so much for practicing English every day with us here on your favorite YouTube channel. If you'd like to keep learning and practicing, make sure to subscribe, give us a like, and share your favorite part of today's listening practice in the comments. See you in the next video.